Hold on to your hats, folks. The electric vehicle world is about to get a whole lot more interesting. We're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2026 BYD Atto 2. And trust me, you won't believe what this little EV powerhouse is packing. Buckle up, because we're about to uncover everything you need to know about the Atto 2. From its stunning design to its revolutionary technology, and most importantly, its groundbreaking affordability. Get ready to witness the future of electric driving. All right, everyone, let's get right into it. The BYD Atto 2 is generating some serious buzz, and for good reason. Early glimpses suggest a sleek and modern design, something that really stands out in the increasingly crowded EV market. We're talking about a smaller, more city-friendly footprint than its Atto 3 sibling, making it perfect for navigating those tight urban streets. But don't let its size fool you. BYD is known for packing a punch, and the Atto 2 is expected to deliver impressive range and performance figures. Think cutting-edge battery technology and a powerful electric motor, all wrapped up in a package that's both stylish and practical. What's even more exciting is the rumored price point. BYD is aiming to make the Atto to one of the most affordable EVs on the market, potentially opening up electric vehicle ownership to a whole new segment of drivers. This could be a real game changer. The design language looks very similar to other popular BYD models, making it very appealing. Now, let's talk about the juicy stuff, the specs and features. While official details are still under wraps, industry insiders are predicting a range of around 250 to 300 miles on a single charge. That's more than enough for most daily commutes, and even some longer road trips. Fast charging capabilities are also expected, allowing you to top up the battery quickly and easily. Inside the cabin, expect a minimalist and tech-forward design with a large touchscreen display taking center stage. BYD is also known for its innovative features, such as a rotating screen and advanced driver assistance systems. Safety is also a top priority, with the Atto 2 likely to come equipped with a suite of advanced safety features to help keep you and your passengers safe on the road. Think automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. All